Hello, pernah. Pernah sebab dengan pi bro kadi we mah bela ma bening video ngani sing menta. Menta sing dega ka South Feb bade Saturday kumbati pi bro kadi bade ka Valentine's Day ram tu. Chuni cha Aizawl ego ga kinja program apalong ya tapo lamwal ground salima kaya ga tarmo adat event sa kata ko kinja chapa ke egi local artist ya bansa perform yum tu sa lima kaya kata le salima tani event sa way pulang te tharai dama pini video hani mtas ngil ade ga mande men step mo nama ba sabun kam ngai nga dalawan phai to samarlap nga ban ade diam tu tharai dalam api ade ga mande men step mo hari ni sini sabun chinga pi bro khai ya sai mai ma kermen nga banyak ma phi ada bukut di ma.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. The doubting you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye again.
Menta lai ni po ground tagala mall ground makai beli juga mah. Oh, this I think this is painting. We can buy or what this one? So let's go there. We can buy. So nice, This is nice. What are they doing there? These are all made of
Hemp, natural, 100% handmade,
okay.
authentic hemp.
Oh, right.
You can try one. This is 500, this is 350.
Can I buy something?
Many girls have found this color. Only one piece remaining. Yeah, you can see.
I think slippers here. Oh, any sweaters on Mama? Such a nice sweater. You buying?
Thank you.
Can you show me? Wow, such a nice. It's a rose gold, right? Yeah, nice. Very girly. The stalls. Can you please tell me more about this Lesde Kut? What is it about?
Program is for promoting the business enterprise in Zoram developer. And then from here we have Mystic. Mystic is one of the government department who emphasizes innovation technology. And right now they are displacing new level.
It's organic, no sugar is added, like it's pure
jaggery. And then there's an extra flavor plain, vanilla, mango, butter, sesame, and chocolate. And then it's being made into cube, so you can eat it.
You can eat it and enjoy it.
But then there's no hassle of cutting the jaggery by yourself and then preserving it, making it into a cube and stuff. So this one is much better, and then it's very tasty.
Yes, the taste was very good. I've tried it. I've tried all the flavors. It's quite good. Yep. Okay, we'll come again. So let's hope the business will grow someday. Yes. Okay, chalo. We'll go around. Yeah, we'll go around. Bye bye. Yes. Bye bye. Te mentally makaya sa Chibin mo. Magini ki. These are all cotton. And son to invest. Yeah, this is a traditional attire, no? It's a traditional attire, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Modern. Yeah. Okay. Dan mate ki jacket chira mate. Or jimbas. So nice, huh? These are all puan, right?
Yeah, they're all one.
So many puan shops. Nice. Oh, the bikes are best dito. The bikes here. What is it? Oh, this is the EV one. Oh, it's nice, right? Hero. Oh, this is the one I want to check. Yeah, this is Brixton. This is nice. Huh? Oh, this is nice. This is the one I saw in the Brixton. This is really good, huh?
Wanna try?
Huh?
Wanna try?
Just check it out.
Why don't you put the camera?
I didn't bring the stand. How much is the
Look. Order price is almost 11 legs.
My name is Dinah.
Yeah, hi Diana. So welcome to my vlog.
5.59.
Yes, welcome tomorrow. Yeah. This is the news here.
We used to come at MZU.
EVS department.
Sorry?
EVS department.
That is environmental.
Yes, environmental science.
Come and Clean.
Need to do food court. Dalibam chakachri maknet. Huh? Let's go eat something. Yeah, menta dan sipuya ni Folkland Park. Ni to go Folkland Park kum to lang ni alay. Oh, what is Anna? Oh, son. Is that an aeroplane or a jet? A fighter jet. It's an aeroplane, huh? Oh, so nice. Yeah, paham ta. Dum dum ada kelihatan lah tak Jakarta. Ni betul lang ka. Teh neng tur lagi. Jadi go kart te murti pide. Apa sih kayak ngapi mah? Te mentali nyakai te go kart mah. Mun marenya taba cibang taba nyakilap te kam ta gini te kai eligibility criteria apa minimum height kata ta jingcrang itu minimum passenger height kata pi excited betul saya nya te actually nyakai mata apa Dan chula nya go kart itu. Dia restoran ni lah. Basketball court roh tu, skating, skate park roh. Dia ni lah benda skate mai. Dia cuba kumno dawan kai pi cara zo, dia sawan visit ni je kamu. Hati ke futsal je roh, ada kuah lekai football je pi roh long. Gini dia kita ki local artist semua berlapau bahan ni apa Aizawl.
Space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and all the fuck-ups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine, it's you and I.
Entah dia lah ni emang le skating ni way perlapta te iba mentang te ciu yang kai ni le cuma kai le te
Perbalik lingkang ini sedian. Ini tempat salang kerang dah. Jangan berlaku lah.
te makai ni balik ni way. So are you ready to do, baby? Hi. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm so ready.
Okay. Be careful, right? Hey. Be careful.
Okay.
Wow. I wish I could do that as well. Ooh. Huh?
It's good.
Did you like it?
After a long time, yeah, I like it so much. But I don't have time anymore.
I wish I could do it as well.
And my legs are numb.
Okay, let's go. Dia mentang melipai ni lah the Folkland Park. Dia kumno semua tu ni bala cem hataga perlok ni.
Mara nang mermat keren minatnya. All thanks to baby.
Dia mentang liwan ni mah norba pamit. Dia asta berdesan dia sebab program yang tu. Dia ya sa cem dalam puai hostel mah.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in?
ช่องแต่ละทัดว่าละสุดที่ว่าแต่บางทีเรามันตาแต่ในวิดีโอมันตาสิ่งต่างๆตัวเลยก็เลยมาแต่ก็เพลงพี่โปรใครดีวิบุยประมาณในวิดีโอส์กันหาดูปกติแต่แล้วก็พี่บัญชีต่างก็ไม่รู้วิดีโอส์แต่ใส่ suggestion แล้วพอ comment section ยังตัวมาแต่ตั้งกระตาเลยแต่คุณเลยชีบนดีมาแต่กันมันกันในมาเพื่อนนี่ชัวร์มาแต่ตั้งกระตาเลยคุณเลยชีบนแต่ไปใส่เชื่อมันนี่มา